CXRP is said to skyrocket to $10,000 soon. But why is this so? It is said that this leak changed everything. Exactly what is happening here? Stay tuned to learn more about it. Welcome to Crypto Live. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our upcoming videos about cryptocurrencies. In February 2022, Kevin O'Leary leaked XRP to $10,000. Also, over the last few days, cryptocurrency markets have been engulfed in chaos. Likewise, Bitcoin lost $2,000 in just a few hours. The same can be said for XRP, which has fallen by 20% over the last few days. Meanwhile, XRP's failure is also tied to Ripple's lawsuit against the SEC. Furthermore, Kevin O'Leary, who stars in the popular television show Shark Tank about finances and businesses, says that he plans to include much more cryptocurrency in his investment portfolio. Moreover, Kevin O'Leary has historically been skeptical about cryptocurrency. However, he has been investing in digital assets for years, becoming a strong supporter of the concept. Also, his investment portfolio now includes approximately 10% in cryptocurrencies. Additionally, digital assets will be added to the top 20% of assets by O'Leary, but he is delaying this until there is more regulation of the industry. Furthermore, O'Leary said stablecoins pegged to the US dollar account for a substantial part of his investment portfolio. Using stablecoins, he participates in the staking process to protect himself from the inflation of the global reserve currency. As inflation increases by 6% a year, your purchasing power decreases by the same amount. Accordingly, the investors urge you to use stablecoins as a potential solution. Also, a more clear and transparent regulatory framework will make it easier for O'Leary to move funds between fiat currencies and stablecoins. Currently, his portfolio does not contain much stablecoin, and he has no plans to increase its share beyond 5% in line with the Compliance Department's recommendations. Furthermore, several institutional investors are also enthusiastic about stablecoins, according to the entrepreneur, while on the other hand, O'Leary holds a different view concerning Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies thanks to the high volatility of the assets. In addition to this, institutional investors will not invest 20% or 30% of their portfolio in Bitcoin. He said, and it's just not gonna happen. And stablecoins may well receive such an allocation. Furthermore, O'Leary had said earlier that cryptocurrencies work differently depending on the blockchain. Who, by the way, is Kevin O'Leary? He is a well-known investor, best known for his role in the TV show Shark Tank, said he would rather consult with the SEC than invest in a lawsuit. A billionaire investor who was recently selected as an official representative of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange stated, "I have no interest in being a crypto cowboy and getting anybody unhappy with me because I have so many assets in the real world that I've invested in already that I have to be compliant. Therefore, rather than being a crypto cowboy, O'Leary will consult with regulators to determine what is feasible and what isn't, and taking litigation over a swift settlement seems unreasonable," adding that he does not wish to be involved in a lawsuit against the SEC, and he decided it would not be a good idea. Additionally, it is a well-known issue in the crypto world that the US Securities and Exchange Commission filed a complaint against Ripple in December 2020, saying that the blockchain company sold $1.3 billion worth of XRP without an SEC registration. Furthermore, there is also the question of whether XRP should be viewed as a security in the lawsuit. Additionally, a security that meets the 4 conditions of the Howey test is a security that meets the 4 conditions of the money market investment contract. Additionally, it refers to investing money in an enterprise to make a profit by exploiting others. Furthermore, a recent JP Morgan research report stated that Ripple will win the lawsuit if a judge rules one or more of its points were not met. Once that happens, and major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase resume trading, XRP will gain significant adoption. Following the event, on November 30th, JP Morgan will hold a Crypto Economics Forum, where Coinbase's Chief Executive Officer, Brian Armstrong, and Director Fred Wilson will participate in a fireside chat. Throughout the trial, Ripple's lawyers have argued that XRP is just a utility and not a security. Moreover, in June, SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce outlined the SEC's intent when the agency filed a complaint about the firm putting unregistered securities into circulation. Additionally, when we think of crypto assets as securities, we say that they are sold under investment contracts. However, that does not necessarily imply that the asset itself is a security. In addition, that does not mean that it is a security. However, the commissioner, also known as a crypto mama, and other SEC officials are not allowed to publicly discuss the case. Her words, however, point out that the lawsuit does not focus on terms or characteristics of XRP, but on how it was sold. As a result, Judge Sarah Netburn ruled that Ripple needs to provide more recordings of their meetings. Aside from this, an SEC investigation will be conducted to determine whether individual defendants and Ripple executives are referring to XRP in more of a stock-like fashion rather than digital tokens. By doing so, the SEC's position will be strengthened. On the other hand, the judge ordered a great deal of explanation about the Ripple, ranging from the XRP sales abroad to fair notice protection issues and whether the XRP book was fully operational in 2013 when the contracts were signed. And this major victory has been analyzed by attorney Hogan. Moreover, Ripple claims that the XRP ledger was functional in 2013 when the sales took place, but the transactions were not included in the investment contract, according to the Howey test. Furthermore, defendants are also pressing for the defense of fair notice, claiming that the SEC failed to inform them that the actions of Ripple could be interpreted as unregistered placement of securities. Moreover, the court's summary decision to protect fair notice could create a precedent that will likely weaken the SEC's regulatory prices by enforcing them against digital assets. At this time, the case is still undergoing examination. At the same time, XRP gains 30% against Ripple as the SEC gains points. In the past 7 days, XRP is up over 30% thanks to a favorable verdict in Ripple's case against the Securities and Exchange Commission, which alleged the company sold its XRP as unlawful securities. And according to court documents, Judge Annalisa Torres has granted Ripple permission to respond to the SEC's memorandum of law in support of its motion to strike fair notice defense. Judge Torres ordered that the 3 documents related to the SEC versus Ripple case be unsealed, including the email thread and deposition notice of Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and the email chain of its founder, Chris Larsen. As a result of the news, XRP price rallied over 30%, from its lowest level of $0.58 on February 3 to as high as $0.79 until the second week of February. Additionally, the upside movement picked up as law firm Hogan & Hogan partner Jeremy Hogan noted that the SEC versus Ripple case might be nearing a verdict. In response to a tweet asking if the news surrounding the case was good or bad, he responded, "It is good because we are moving into the second phase of the case, where things are going to happen." In terms of technical analysis, the 20 and 50 exponential moving averages, or EMAs, have become resistance levels ahead for XRP. Moreover, the 2 moving averages appear poised to form a death cross if the 20-week EMA crosses below the 50-week EMA, indicating classical sell signals. Even so, Bitcoin's rapid rise, together with its decisive high volume close above the said EMAs, may limit the sell-off risks associated with this cross. Also, the price of XRP may retest its descending trendline resistance near $1.26 if an upside momentum continues, which would mark a 50% price increase from current levels. Furthermore, as part of the lawsuit update, Ripple lawyers discussed the unsealing of digital tokens in the key SEC case. Did Ripple Labs Incorporated lawyers tell the company that by selling XRP digital tokens in the future, it would be regulated under federal security laws? It is this question at the heart of the closely watched SEC suit accusing Ripple and 2 top executives of selling $1.3 billion worth of XRP in an unregistered offering between 2013 and 2020. While Ripple contemplated launching a new digital token in 2012, the company sought legal advice from an unidentified global law firm, which submitted 2 memos to Ripple analyzing the potential legal issues. Nevertheless, Ripple, the government, and Ripple's outside attorney offer divergent interpretations of what is in these 2 memos that have been docketed under only one seal. Additionally, according to the SEC, Ripple and Christian Larsen was aware that the XRP would be classified as a security under federal law from the moment it was developed. Despite this, Ripple and Larson, who is now Ripple's chairman, are saying regulators are misinterpreting the memos. Further, it was revealed by the documents that Ripple lawyers became convinced that its tokens did not constitute securities. In short, the memos will be crucial evidence in a matter considered by many to be a critical test of the SEC's ability to regulate cryptocurrencies through enforcement actions. Meanwhile, thanks to an order that was handed down by the U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres in Manhattan in the first week of February, we now can't rely on either side's accounts of what Ripple's outside counsel said in the 2012 memos. According to Torres, the legal advice in the two memos must be unsealed and made public by February 17th. Therefore, regardless of whether this is true or not, that XRP will hit $10,000, the lawsuit win seems to favor XRP. So it might not be in 2022, but I am optimistic that XRP will hit this price. That's all for this video about crypto, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates on the crypto market, make sure you click the subscribe and bell button.